Hello students, welcome to class 12th of accountancy. Today we are going to do chapter number 2, goodwill, nature and valuation. In my previous video, we had already done how to calculate goodwill by using average profit method. Today we will do how to calculate goodwill by weightage average profit method and by super profit method. So today our topic will be valuation of goodwill part 2. Let us solve one question of weightage average profit method so that we can understand this concept more clearly. Before this, let us revise average profit method. In average profit method, first step was to calculate total profit of previous years. After calculating total profit of previous years, we have to divide it with the number of previous years so that we can get our average profit. Once we will get our average profit, it is multiplied by the number of purchase years to get our goodwill. So by these steps, we were calculating goodwill by using average profit method. Now in weightage average profit method, one weightage will be given for each profit to you. By that you have to calculate weightage average profit method. Let us solve one question. Profit of the firm for last 5 years is given 40,000, 48,000, 60,000, 50,000, 36,000. Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. We have to calculate goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of the weightage average profit. After assigning weightage, weightage is already assigned. First year weightage is 1, then 2, 3, 4 and last weightage is 5. Now, first thing which we have to do, we have to calculate total weightage. How we will calculate total weightage and total weightage amount? First of all, this is your year column in which you will write your years. Then profit column in which you will write your profits. These profits and years are already given in your question, so you have to write it here. Then weightage is already given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total weightage will be 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. So total weightage will be 15. Now after calculating total weightage, you have to calculate weighted profit. And what is the formula of weighted profit? D is equal to B into C. B into C means profit into weightage. So 40,000 into 1, 40,000, 48,000 into 2, 96,000, 60,000 into 3, 1,80,000, 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh, 36,000 into 5, 1,80,000. Now you will calculate total weightage profit. Total weightage profit is 6,96,000. Let us revise one more time. First of all, you will write your years, whatever it is given in your question. Then profit, it will also be given in your question. Then weightage, if it is not given in your question, by default the weightage is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this it goes on. Okay. Then after writing weightage, you will multiply profit with weightage to get weightage profit. Once you will calculate weightage profit, you will add them so that you can get your total weightage. So here three things are very important. First is total weightage profit, second is total weightage, and third is number of purchase years. So number of purchase years were 3, total weightage is 15 and total weightage profit is 6,96,000. Now let us calculate the goodwill. So the formula is weightage average profit is equal to total of weightage profit divided by total weights. So total of weightage profit was 6,96,000, total weight was 15. If you will divide it, you will get 46,400. It will be weighted average profit. Okay. Now after getting weightage average profit, you will multiply it with the number of purchase years to get your goodwill. So the goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchased. So weighted average profit was 46,400 and the number of year purchase was 3. Total profit will be 1,93,200. Like this you will calculate goodwill by using weightage average profit method. Let us go for super profit now, because weightage average profit method is over and average profit method was over. So we will go for super profit. Super profit topic is one of the very important topic of your syllabus, students. So please concentrate on it and understand it in a better way. So super profit method. Okay. There are three types of profits: normal profit, actual profit, super profit. Actual profit and average profit are same. What is normal profit? Normal profit is calculated on the capital employed, total capital employed of the firm. नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट एक ऐसी प्रॉफिट है जो एक कॉमन टाइप के बिजनेस में नॉर्मली होता है. इट मीन्स इफ ए इज डूइंग अ बिजनेस एंड बी इज ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम बिजनेस, both will get 10% profit. If A had invested 10 lakh rupees, he will get 1 lakh, and if B has invested 1 lakh rupees, he will get 10,000 rupees profit. It means 10% profit is guaranteed. Anyone who is doing this kind of business will get 10% profit. That is normal profit. Normally इतना profit आपको होगा. Now what is actual profit or average profit? Actual profit or average profit is actually which you had earned. Okay, so it may differ from firm to firm. A can earn more profit, B can earn less profit, so it is actual profit. Now what is super profit? Super profit is excess over normal profit. Whatever profit you are earning more than the normal profit is known as super profit. For example, normal profit was 10,000 but actual or average profit was 12,000. So excess is of 2,000. Excess of normal profit is of 2,000 rupees. So that 2,000 will be considered as super profit. So by this we can say that the formula of super profit is actual or average profit minus normal profit. Actual or average profit minus normal profit, it will be the formula of super profit. Let us solve questions so that we can understand it. This is your question. A firm earned net profit during the last 3 years. This is the profit of last 3 years. Capital invested of the firm is 60,000. So the capital which is invested in the firm is of 60,000. Normal rate on the capital is 10%. So the normal rate of capital is 10%. Let us see. First of all, we will calculate normal profit. How we will calculate normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into percentage, normal rate of return. Okay, so the normal profit is of 6,000 rupees. Okay, see, normal profit is equal to 60,000 into 10 by 100, 6,000. So the normal profit we had calculated. Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of the average super profit for the last 3 years. For calculating super profit, actually you need two things. First is average profit or actual profit, and the second is normal profit. Normal profit already we are having. Now if we have to calculate average profit is equal to profits divided by number of years. So the total profit is 20,000 plus 22,000 plus 18,000, 60,000 divided by number of years 3. So the average profit is 20,000. So this is your average profit and this is your normal profit. Now what you will do? Super profit formula is average profit minus normal profit. So the average profit is 20,000 and the normal profit is 6,000. Super profit will be 14,000. Now you are having your super profit. Now goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of average super profit. You have to calculate goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. Okay, so super profit you are having 14,000. Number of year purchase is 3. So the total goodwill will be 42,000. Like this we will calculate value of goodwill. Let us solve one more question. Average profit earned by a firm is 2,50,000. Average profit they are already given, so we do not have to calculate any kind of average profit now, which includes overvaluation of stock of 10,000 on average basis. So when overvaluation of stock is there, whenever overvaluation of stock is there, we will deduct this overvalued stock by the average profit. So actual average profit will be 2,40,000 because we will deduct this overvaluation of stock 10,000 rupees from average profit. So 2,50,000 minus 10,000 will be 2,40,000. That will be the actual average profit, 2,40,000. Okay. Capital invested in the firm is 14 lakh and the normal rate of return is 15%. So normal profit will be calculated 14 lakh into 15%. So 14 lakh into 15% will be 2,10,000. So you are having both, you are having your normal profit and actual average profit. What you will do, we will deduct it actual average profit minus normal profit. See, actual average profit minus normal profit, and the super profit is 30,000. Okay. Now calculate goodwill of the firm on the basis of 4 times of super profit. 4 times of super profit matlab we have to multiply it by 4. So the super profit into 4 and the goodwill will be 1,20,000. So like this we will calculate goodwill by using super profit method. Let us do one more question. Average profit of the firm during the last few years are 80,000 and the normal rate of return is a similar business is 10%. Okay, so average profit already it is given 80,000 rupees. Average profit is 80,000 rupees. Okay, now normal rate of return in a similar business is 10%. Normal rate of return is 10%. Then if the goodwill of the firm is 1 lakh at 4-year purchase, now goodwill they had given. Okay, goodwill they had given that the amount of goodwill is 1 lakh at the 4-year purchase of super profit. It was calculated on the 4-year purchase of super profit. Find the capital employed by the firm. We had to find out the capital employed by the firm. So goodwill we are having, goodwill is equal to 1 lakh rupees. So it was, how it was calculated? Goodwill is equal to super profit into 4, because they are saying that it was at 4-year purchase. So we can calculate super profit very easily. How will calculate? Super profit is equal to goodwill divided by 4. So super profit will be 1 lakh divided by 4 and the super profit will be 25,000. So you are having your super profit. Okay, now you are having your average profit. उल्टा चल रहे हैं अपन, है ना. अपन पहले गुडविल के अपन पहले क्या कर रहे थे, पहले नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे, फिर एवरेज प्रॉफिट, फिर सुपर प्रॉफिट एंड देन फिर गुडविल कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे. अब अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, गुडविल से पहले अपन ने सुपर प्रॉफिट निकाला. अब सुपर प्रॉफिट और एवरेज प्रॉफिट की वजह से हम नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे और फिर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट की हेल्प से अपन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड को निकालेंगे. ओके, सो super profit is given, already we had calculated 25,000 and average profit is given 80,000. Okay, now we'll deduct both of them so that we can get our normal profit. So normal profit will be, normal profit is equal to 80,000 minus 25,000, then normal profit will be 55,000. Okay, now after getting normal profit 55,000, we will divide it with normal rate of return and we will multiply it with 100 so that we can get our capital employed. Okay, so see, capital employed is equal to 10 divided by normal rate of return into normal profit. Normal profit was 55,000 into 100 divided by 10 and the capital employed is 5,50,000. So like this we will calculate goodwill by using super profit method, and we can also calculate capital employed, normal profit, average profit and super profit by using these formulas. So students, today we had learned how to calculate goodwill by using weightage average profit method and super profit method. Thank you.